Welcome back to Crystal Fit. Beautiful souls, today we have something truly transformative in store for you, a comprehensive guide on how to achieve weight loss through the ancient art of yoga, all from the comfort of your own home. Point number 1, Introduction to Yoga for Weight Loss. Before we dive into the heart of our practice, let's take a moment to understand why yoga is such a powerful tool for weight loss. Yoga not only helps you shed those extra pounds, but also cultivates a deep connection between your mind, body, and soul. Asanas, or poses in yoga, are designed to engage various muscle groups, boosting metabolism and burning calories. Additionally, the practice of mindfulness in yoga helps in making healthier food choices, reducing emotional eating. Point number 2, setting up your at-home yoga space. Creating a serene and dedicated space for your yoga practice is crucial. Find a quiet corner, lay down a yoga mat, and let's get ready to embark on this transformative journey. Ensure your space is clutter-free. Add some calming elements like candles or plants, and let natural light flow in. This will enhance your overall experience and commitment to your practice. Point number 3, warm-up sequence. Begin each session with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body for the more intense asanas. This not only prevents injuries, but also increases flexibility and blood circulation. We'll guide you through a series of simple yet effective warm-up exercises, loosening those tight muscles and promoting a sense of relaxation. Point number 4, core strengthening asanas. A strong core is the foundation of a healthy body. These asanas will not only tone your abs, but also improve posture and stability. We'll demonstrate powerful poses like boat pose, plank, and leg raises to target those stubborn abdominal muscles. Point number 5, dynamic flow for cardiovascular health. To enhance calorie burning, we'll incorporate a dynamic flow sequence. This not only elevates your heart rate, but also keeps the practice engaging and enjoyable. Follow along as we move seamlessly through poses, igniting your cardiovascular system and torching those calories. Point number 6, mindful eating and nutrition tips. Weight loss isn't just about the physical practice, it's a holistic journey. Let's explore mindful eating habits and nutrition tips that complement your yoga practice. We'll discuss how to savor your food, recognize hunger cues, and make conscious choices that align with your wellness goals. Point number 7, stress-reducing asanas for emotional well-being. Emotional well-being is an integral part of weight loss. Chronic stress can hinder progress, so we'll introduce you to calming asanas that promote relaxation and mental clarity. Join us in a gentle practice of poses like child's pose, forward bend, and corpse pose to release tension and find inner peace. And there you have it, dear viewers, a powerful yoga sequence to kickstart your weight loss journey. We hope you enjoyed today's session and found valuable insights into the world of yoga for weight loss. Viewer success stories. As we celebrate your journey, let's take a moment to share some incredible success stories from our community. Real people, real transformations, proving that with dedication and the right guidance, anything is possible. From shedding pounds to gaining inner peace, our community is thriving. We're so proud to be a part of your wellness journey. Before we say goodbye, let's take a sneak peek into what's coming up on Crystal Fit. We have exciting challenges, in-depth tutorials, and guest experts lined up to keep you motivated and inspired. Don't miss out. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell ringing. Your wellness adventure continues with us. As we wrap up today's session, we want to express our gratitude for being a part of the Crystal Fit family. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. Keep blooming, keep growing, and until next time. Subscribe to Crystal Fit for your regular dose of wellness. Like this video if you enjoyed it. share it with your friends and family, and hit that thumbs up. Connect with us on social media for exclusive content and updates. Until next time, take care and be well.